everyone. In this video, we will be learning how to create scatter plots using Microsoft Excel. And specifically, we will be learning how to make a scatter plot where your dependent variable is on your y-axis and your independent variable is on your x-axis. We want to ensure that our dependent variable is on our y-axis so that we can see how the independent variables are affecting it. For my data set here, monthly sales is going to be my dependent variable. And I'm going to use units sold for the scatter plot as my independent variable. To start, we will select our monthly sales data and our units sold data. We'll go to the toolbar and hit Insert, go to Charts, and I'm going to select the first scatter plot option. Now, for this scatter plot, it automatically put our units sold as the y-axis and our monthly sales as the x-axis, which is not what we want. So while our graph is highlighted, I'm going to go to the top where it says Select Data. When I created the scatter plot, it automatically moved me over to Chart Design. So if you do not see Select Data, just ensure that you're in the Chart Design option. So we will select Data, and then from here, I'm going to select Edit. I want my new series name, this is the title, to be Monthly Sales versus Units Sold. Now my X values, I want to be units sold, not monthly sales. I will select everything except for the header. And then I'm going to change my Y values to the monthly sales data. Now that this has been updated, I select OK. And then I will select OK again. And as you can see, the data has been flipped around. Monthly sales is now on my y-axis, and units sold is on my x-axis. From here, we can add in labels, change the formatting, and so on to ensure that it is readable to all users. But this is how to create your scatter plot to ensure that your dependent variable, monthly sales, is on your y-axis, and that your independent variable, in this case units sold, is on your x-axis.